Well, Hurricane Lee is now expected to become an extremely dangerous major hurricane by this Friday, so tomorrow. It's moving right now about 13 miles an hour with maximum sustained winds of 80 miles an hour. National Weather Service says swells by Lee are likely to cause life-threatening surf and rip current conditions, could reach the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, the Bahamas, Bermuda, all by this weekend. Still, at this point, it's too early to forecast the storm's exact track, but we're watching it closely. The new storm comes as recovery efforts are ongoing after Hurricane Idalia hit the Big Bend region of Florida last week, before heading to the southeastern portion of Georgia, where flooding trapped people in their homes there. Folks in impacted communities continue to sift through the destruction left behind by this storm, and there's a lot of really great organizations that have stepped up, providing people with meals and shelter and what they need. One of those people that is helping with the Idalia recovery efforts is Irina Mirabalas. She's a volunteer with Third Wave Volunteers. Thank you for giving us some time. You know, the news cycle shifts very quickly, and in this case, already shifting to the next hurricane that's out in the Atlantic. Right. But the people are picking up the pieces from this last storm. You're there, you're seeing it firsthand. Tell me, first of all, where you are and where the worst of the damage. How bad is it?
Right now, we're in Madison County, which is about 70 miles in from the coast. We've been coming here. We've been getting semis in from the Freedom Tour. So we come here to load up, and then we go down to the coast. We've hit Perry, Keaton Beach, Horseshoe Beach, Cedar Key, Steinhatchee. The thing with this storm is that the winds actually got in 70 miles. So it's not one of those storms that just hit the coast. The coastline obviously got slammed and they got hit with a lot of the storm surge. And then once you go inland, you're dealing with a lot of the wind damage. So trees down, power lines down, and you're getting a lot of homes that got a lot of trees that slammed down onto those homes. So this storm, it hit a lot of this northern Florida area.
Yeah, in fact, Irina, it almost looks like a tornado with those wind speeds and some of the destruction and people's belongings just scattered about. I mean, it looks like what you'd see with a twister. What's the greatest need right now in terms of supplies?
I think support, genuinely. Right now, you've got people that are looking for tarps, obviously, if their roofs were blown off. Food and water, we always look at this kind of like Naked and Afraid. You want to be able to survive after surviving. So getting food and water to the locations where they're not getting, and they're not able to get these semis in, getting supplies to those areas that are not being neglected, but just have less access to bigger trucks coming in. That's what we do. We go in, we take carloads full, and then we restock and go back to these areas that are a little bit harder to get these supplies. So we're always thinking genuinely food, water, anything that's going to help them survive nourishment-wise, and then obviously tarps and cleaning supplies is going to start coming in because they have to start doing mold remediation and cleanups. You've got a lot of debris everywhere. So we always carry these little wagons with us to take supplies in those wagons so that we can actually get supplies to these people if we can't get our cars down the street. But right now, anything is going to help them.
Yeah, and I know love on top of all of the basic necessities is something that you guys provide. You know, I'm thinking, and I often think this after each storm, you know, you had Ian, now you've got this latest storm. We're starting to track Hurricane Lee. The question gets asked of people, will you rebuild, right? I mean, you live in an area that's prone to hurricanes. They're going to come back. What do people tell you when asked that question?
Well, we've been working over in Fort Myers for the past 11 months. I've been there actually for 11 months. I lived in a tent for 8 months while I've been there, but they're rebuilding. There's a lot of people that have made the decision to leave, mainly because that hurricane was catastrophic. And this one, you hear a lot of people just wanting to stay. You know, this is where a lot of them have generational homes, and if those survived, they want to keep staying in these areas. They're very peaceful towns. Those small towns that are on the coast are very small, very community-based, and so they've lived there for 10, 15, 20, 30 years. We actually went 2 days ago and helped a woman clean up the debris from her mom's home that was there for 50 years, and they don't have any plans on letting go of that property. They want to rebuild on that property.
Yeah, no, it's home, right? And you put yourself
Yeah, it's
in
home.
their shoes, and where do you go, right? It's where your people are,
Right.
it's your place. Irina
Yeah.
Mirabalis with Third Wave Volunteers, you are the helpers that come in a disaster and you stay there until it's done. Thank you for what you do, and our best to you and your
Thank
teams.
you. Thank you so much.
Of course, we'll keep checking back in.